Every spring, millions of people do the very same thing. They buy new seeds, they dig up the same tired ground, they plant, they water, they tend, and then at the end of the season it all dies back, and they start completely over the next year. It is a treadmill, and most of us never stop to ask why we are on it. Because here is the secret our grandparents understood in their bones. Some of the best food you can grow is planted only one single time. You put it in the ground once, and then it feeds you season after season, year after year, sometimes for decades, while you do almost nothing at all. In the next few minutes, I am going to give you 7 of these foods. Plant them once, and they will harvest for the rest of your life. This is the very heart of everything we believe here. Real food security is not a frantic scramble every spring. It is a garden that wakes up on its own, that comes back stronger each year, that asks for your effort one time, and then quietly repays you for the rest of your days. So let us walk through the 7, starting with number 1. Number 1, asparagus. If there is one perennial that proves this whole idea, it is asparagus, because a single well-planted asparagus bed will feed your family for 20 years or more. 20 years from one planting. In early spring, when almost nothing else is ready, those tender green spears push right up out of the cold ground, year after year, with no replanting and very little care. I will be honest with you, because that honesty is why you are here. Asparagus asks for a little patience at the start. You give it the first 2 seasons to settle its roots deep before you harvest in earnest. But think about that trade. A little patience one time in exchange for 2 decades of one of the most expensive vegetables in the store, growing in your yard for free. There is no better bargain in all of gardening. Number 2, rhubarb. Here is a plant so tough and so generous that people inherit them. It is not unusual to find a rhubarb plant that has been faithfully producing in the same spot for 30, 40, even 50 years, often outliving the person who planted it. You set it in the ground one time, in a sunny corner, and every single spring it sends up those big, bold, ruby stalks for pies, sauces, and preserves. It shrugs off cold winters, it needs almost nothing from you, and it simply returns, bigger and stronger, every year. Plant rhubarb, and you may well be planting for your grandchildren. Number 3, walking onions and the whole family of perennial onions. Most people grow onions the hard way, planting them every single year and pulling the whole plant at harvest. But there is an older, wiser way. Perennial onions, like the wonderful Egyptian walking onion, along with chives and perennial bunching onions, plant themselves forever. The walking onion is a marvel. It grows little bulbs right at the top of its stalk, and those tops grow so heavy they bend down and replant themselves in the soil nearby, walking slowly across your garden year after year. You plant them one time, and you will never need to buy an onion start again. They simply keep coming. Number 4, perennial herbs. Far too many people treat herbs as something to buy fresh every week, in a little plastic clamshell for a small fortune. But many of the best herbs are true perennials that return on their own every spring for years. Rosemary, thyme, sage, oregano, mint, and many others come back faithfully, often growing into large, beautiful, fragrant bushes over time. Plant a few of these one time, and you will have fresh seasoning and gentle home remedies at your back door for years to come, while everyone else keeps paying for a few wilted sprigs at the store. One small tip: give mint its own pot or its own bed, because it is enthusiastic and likes to wander. Number 5, Jerusalem artichokes, also called sunchokes. Now this one is for the person who wants real, filling, survival food that practically refuses to quit. The Jerusalem artichoke is a tall, cheerful, sunflower-like plant that grows knobby tubers underground, a little like a potato, full of sustaining nourishment. And here is the wonderful, slightly funny truth about them. Once you plant Jerusalem artichokes, you will have them forever, because any little piece of tuber left in the soil will grow again next year. They are so determined to survive that the only real advice is to give them their own dedicated corner, where they can spread to their heart's content. In hard times, a patch like that is a quiet insurance policy you can dig up whenever you need it. Number 6, berry bushes. Imagine planting something one time and then walking out every summer for the next decade or more to pick handfuls of fresh, sweet fruit for free. That is exactly what a berry bush gives you. Raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and currants are long-lived perennials that fruit year after year, and many of them actually spread on their own, giving you more plants and more berries as the seasons pass. The same handful of berries that costs a small fortune at the store, often shipped from the other side of the world, can be growing along your fence line, fresher and better, asking almost nothing of you in return. And number 7, the greatest plant once gift of them all, the fruit and nut tree. There is an old saying that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is today. A single apple, pear, plum, or nut tree planted one time can feed a family for generations, not for a season, for generations. Yes, a young tree asks for a few years of patience before it bears in earnest, but understand what you are really doing when you plant one. You are planting food for your future self, for your children, and for grandchildren you may never even meet, who will one day stand under that tree and pick fruit from branches you put in the ground with your own 2 hands. There is no purer act of providing for the people you love, and it begins with one tree and one afternoon. So, look at what these 7 foods really are, all together. They are a garden that does not end. Asparagus and rhubarb returning faithfully each spring. Onions that plant themselves and walk across the bed. Herbs growing into fragrant bushes at your door. Sunchokes you could never get rid of even if you tried. Berries along the fence and fruit hanging from the trees. You plant them one time, and then, for years and decades, they simply give and give and give. That is not just gardening, that is freedom from the treadmill, and it is the deepest food security a family can have. Now, let me give you one piece of practical wisdom that makes all the difference with perennials, because you are planting these for the long haul. Since these foods will live in the very same spot for years, it is worth taking a little extra care. The one time you put them in, choose a sunny, well-drained place where they will not be disturbed, away from where you dig and turn the soil each season. Take that single planting day to enrich the ground well with plenty of compost and aged manure, because you are not feeding just this year's plant. You are feeding a decade of harvests to come. And give your new plantings a steady drink of water all through that first year, while their roots reach down and take a firm hold. That first season of attention is the whole secret. Help them settle in just once, and from then on they stand on their own, drawing their own water up from deep below and returning to you faithfully, spring after spring, with hardly another thought from you. And here is the most encouraging part. You do not have to plant all 7 this year. You only have to start. Put in 1 asparagus crown, 1 rhubarb plant, 1 little fruit tree this season, and you will have begun something that outlasts the season, outlasts the year, and may very well outlast you. Every perennial you plant is a gift to every spring that is still coming. If this is the kind of self-reliance you have been looking for, a garden that feeds you for a lifetime instead of a summer, then subscribe and stay right here with me. Because in this garden, we do not plant for a season. We plant for a lifetime. Now go and put just 1 of these 7 in the ground. Years from now, you will be so deeply grateful that you did.